Good morning, Julian. How was your evening? You don't even want to talk about it, do you? You were up all night, up on my head on my pillow, smacking me in the face with your tail. What do you have to say for yourself? You just want treats? Oh, buddy, it's okay. I love you. I would rather have you on my pillow smacking me in the face with your tail than not be here at all. Do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? Oh, what is this? It's chicken time. Yeah? Let's get you a chicken treat. Here you go.